How to free up storage on Android storage cleaner tips. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will give some basic tips you guys can use and clear your Android storage. So our first tip will be, we will simply go to file manager in our mobile phone. My files app available in each Android phone, so you guys will simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will see device storage. Also you guys will see how much is your device storage and how much is your in that mobile data. For example, in my device it says 1 to 128 GB total and I have 125 GB data in my phone. So for cleaning storage, here you guys can see photos, videos, audios, documents, apks, archives. So for example, I want to free up space, so for that I will simply go to archives. Here I can select all archives by holding on that, and now once I select it, here you guys can see on downside share, take, move, delete. So once I click on delete, my that archives will be deleted, and that's how you guys can do that. Like, do you guys can follow that whole steps, like you guys can delete videos, apks and other unnecessary files. And once you delete that, here you guys will see recently delete folder. So simply click on that, and after that you guys will simply click on delete all and again click on delete all, and once you do that, your storage will be clean. The second step or tip was, you guys can go to Play Store and you guys can download any cleaner, so it can help really well as well. So that's how you guys can clean your Android mobile storage. Thanks for watching.